Shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So today we are talking about fashion and sustainability and how we can do both with a panache that only we mature women can do. So as you know, I'm into positive aging, wellness, and non-toxic beauty, as well as eco-friendly clothing and shoes, which brings us to our topic. So Vivaia sent me the cutest shoes to try and also to do a review. Plus, they've given us a 10% off code, which you can find down below along with the link to click. So yay, 10% off, woo! Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain what Vivaia is all about and why they're all about that, and my experience with the brand, and show you what cute outfits you can wear with these shoes. So before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshamanstore.com. And don't forget to sign up for my newsletter for 20% off everything in my store. And also please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be alerted every time I upload a video. All right, let's get going. Okay, a little bit about Vivaia. They create stylish and sustainable footwear and apparel that are eco-friendly and responsible. So all of their products are made using recycled materials and 3D technology that uses a zero-waste process. Each pair of shoes is the reincarnation of 6 plastic bottles that come from both city and ocean waste. At this point, they've recycled over 1.8 million bottles in their products, setting a standard in the industry of sustainable practices. Vivaia is based in the United States with the manufacturing facility in Dongguan, I might have said that wrong, Dongguan, China. I mention this because as consumers, I know many of you are interested in where and how products are made, and at times China has been a bit of a culprit when it comes to bad practices and how they treat their employees. Having said that, China has changed its practices enormously, and Vivaia regularly audits the factory to be sure it uses all the good practices needed for a positive working environment, safety, and employee treatment. If you have questions about this, I encourage you to check out their website for more information. Okay, on to outfits. So I'm going to model for you a few outfits that you can wear with these shoes. I had so much fun doing this. I find them very comfortable and very wearable. Okay, so my experience with this company has been extremely positive. And although I'm not for using plastics at all, I wish we didn't have plastics in our environment. I wish we could just do away with all of them and use glass. I'm glad there are alternative uses for plastics and that companies are getting creative to bring more sustainable developments to the table. So these shoes are extremely comfortable, and though I have a wide foot and a bunion, the shoes fit beautifully and have held up great. Plus, honestly, they are so my style. They're so cute. I just love that style. They are very well known for their flat shoes. And I didn't get any flat shoes. I wanted something with a little bit of a heel, but I think their flats are really adorable. Plus, you can wash them. I've had mine for about 2 weeks and they've held up great and they've been very comfortable. They actually sort of mold to fit your feet. So when I put them on, they just kind of spread just to fit my foot just right. And I've worn them, outside and I walk a ton and it's been great. I really didn't have a break-in period with them or anything. Not to say that someone else won't, but personally speaking, I did not. I think the flats are extremely cute. I think all of their shoes are very, very cute. So do go onto their website and check out the different styles that they have. I think there's something there for everybody. Plus, they also have a lot of lovely colors, which I'm very into. I happen to get the black and white ones, but I love the blue ones and the rose toned. And I mean, they've really got a really nice selection. Well, I hope you found this entertaining and informative, and we'll check them out. I mean, I really enjoyed Vivaia shoes. I've loved wearing them. I honestly would not do a review if I didn't like them. If I don't like a product, I just don't do a review. So if I like something, you know it because I'm going to show it to you and tell you about it. So that's why I chose to do this video. They did send me the shoes for sure. And they did offer a 10%, which I think is fabulous. So thank you, Vivaia, for that. I know all of you will be very grateful. All right. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman. Please write down below if you have any questions or thoughts, or maybe you've already bought a pair of these shoes and you have something to add to the conversation. I would love to hear that from you. So thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.